Your project deserves exceptional performance. Get a Pella Impervia sliding patio door made from our proprietary fiberglass, the strongest material available for patio doors. Introducing the lowest standard sill design in the industry with high performance to provide a clean, minimalistic look. The high-performing, low-profile sill is 45% lower than an average sill and can be easily adapted for ADA compliance. These doors provide outstanding resistance to water, wind, and outside noises. Even with our low-profile sill design, you and your customers don't have to compromise on performance. For added strength, durability, and reliable water performance, Pella Impervia products are secured with corner locks, metal fasteners, and injected with sealant. 2, 3, and 4 panel designs are available in sizes up to 10 feet tall, with an easy-to-assemble knockdown frame. Pella Impervia sliding patio doors, engineered for lasting durability and high performance.